Hey guys, so I am at a one bed flat in a block of flats that belong to one of our portfolio landlord clients, and they are renovating this block. So each flat, as it becomes available, the rent before, I think previously was really bad. I think it was like half the price, half the rent of what we are currently achieving for them now. And it really goes to show that you really do need to be increasing your rent each year. I think what's happened with the previous landlord is that they haven't been increasing their rent, and it got so low and so bad that they actually just lost interest. They didn't maintain the property, and they lost interest and they just sold it. So now the tenants have had to move on, and the new owner of this block has had to pretty much gut it, spend a lot of money to renovate it. I mean, the flooring was rotten and everything, to bring it up to a good standard, and then we can re-let it out as well. And in fact, this flat has already been re-let. We've actually got a tenant moving in about 3 weeks, so there's plenty of demand for it. And I mean, I can imagine this has been a really, really difficult purchase for our landlord client. It's not an easy deal to get over the line, and I can imagine this must have been really expensive for our landlord client as well, and a lot of risk. But it's certainly paying off because it's in a great location. The tenants here are lovely, and the new tenants here that it's attracting are really nice as well, and it's getting really good rent. Okay.